Port of Ensenada, Baja California, Mexico. Port of Los Angeles and Long Beach, California, 165 miles north. Main ports of the United States West Coast. Port of Ensenada hinterland. Asian coastline, the main point for commercial trade. Tijuana border crossing, 70 miles north. Mexicali border crossing, 136 miles northeast. Port of Ensenada, Baja California, Mexico. To be a strategic port in the Pacific Rim that satisfies regional market needs, boosting its economic development. That's the vision that the Port of Ensenada fosters, to position itself as a world-class port. Its strategic location in the Pacific Rim is part of the many great advantages, which makes it an excellent option and a gateway for markets to Asia and America, connecting with 64 ports in 28 countries all over the world, offering high-quality services and competitiveness, becoming a natural gate for business and international trade. Composed by the states of Baja California Sur, and Sonora, and in the United States, Southern California and Arizona, it has excellent land and maritime connections to main production and consumption centers. At the same time, maintaining a dynamic commercial and tourist flow, providing regional benefits. The Port of Ensenada infrastructure is equipped and qualified to satisfy efficiency, security, and productivity needs for shippers, customers, and users of each of the productive chains involved at the port, which are commercial cargo, mineral bulk, shipyards, fishing, nautical tourism. Within foreign trade, dockage capacity is 2,900 feet, 4,300 feet for domestic cargo, and 1,750 feet for cruise ships. The port offers an official 40 feet draft and maximum capacity for 5,500 TEU vessels. The port's infrastructure, equipment, and services fulfill the requirements of international quality and productivity standards. Container cargo has an extraordinary dynamic, projecting to handle by 2011 more than 305,000 TEUs with inbounds to Mexico. With a solid vision to increase the port's competitiveness and offer more logistical services, an intermodal corridor based on inbound traffic is being developed to connect the port with the main crossing borders in Baja California, Tecate, Tijuana, and Mexicali, in order to serve U.S. Southwest needs for international trade. Another important port cluster is bulk minerals handling, composed by 3 specialized terminals south of the port enclosure. This activity registers up to 70% of the total handled tonnage and over 45% of port exports. Shipyard and boat repair activities are a great tradition in the port, adapting to new niche markets, satisfying the demand of main services required by companies and individuals. Therefore, the U.S. West Coast has become an important potential market, allowing the expansion of services into the tourist sector, specializing facilities for yacht repair. Commercial fishing activities are based on public berths. At the same time, record-growing activities in bluefin tuna farms are encouraging additional logistical activities and economic impact in the region. Tourism represents one of the port's main activities, composed by the cruise industry, solidly rooted in the port's tourist business as an outstanding activity. The port looks forward to consolidate Ensenada as a natural destination for cruise ship calls. The Port of Ensenada is one of the 3rd most busiest ports in Mexico, after Cozumel and Mahahual, Quintana Roo, becoming an important generator of employment and economic benefits to the city. A complementary activity is based on nautical tourism, where the port has a great potential to take care of the Southern California market. Currently, it has marinas and embarcaderos with more than 350 slips to attend to yachts and recreational boats. Due to the importance of this activity, Ensenada is the first port to offer a government integral services center that facilitates the entry of tourism into national territory. At the same time, the nautical tourist zone of the port is the base of important recreational activities such as sport fishing, bay tours, and whale watching, among others. The port strengthens the link between the city and its surroundings with the construction and operation of the Port Waterfront Boardwalk, a recreative and relaxing area for the community and city visitors. Within the waterfront area, several projects are being developed, such as a marina with commercial and recreational development south of the cruise ship terminal, and the construction of another marina offering 380 slips and other tourist amenities. The container cargo area will extend yards for storage and build an additional 300-meter wharf. A specialized facility for bulk grains will be constructed. A new bonded area is under process, and additional services will be incorporated to foster foreign trade development. Customs facilities will be enhanced to improve efficiency and logistics in the port. Medium-term projects include expansion of port operations in El Sozal Port, 4 miles north of Ensenada, with plans to gradually concentrate the fishing activity and include break bulk cargo and bulk minerals, with a strong investment to expand port infrastructure. At the same time, another important expansion project is the construction and operation of a new port at Punta Colonet, 90 miles south of Ensenada, that will concentrate on containerized cargo activities. Considering a capacity of more than 9 million TEUs, this port will offer railroad connections with the USA to attend to potential markets. Additionally, it will develop complementary operations of mineral bulks and LNG terminals. Due to better business practices, the ports of Mexico are committed to improve quality and environmental standards. Therefore, ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 certifications are implemented. Furthermore, since June 2004, the Port of Ensenada has the ISPS code certification issued by the International Maritime Organization. All of these projects and improvements are sustained by the Port of Ensenada's mission to promote highly effective goods transference and to provide proper resources for passengers' transit in reliable and opportune form, offering added value benefits to customers and to foster logistics competitiveness, as well as generate attractive profits to our stakeholders, respecting the natural environment and contributing to the social and economic development of the region. Port of Ensenada, a strategic point in the Pacific Rim.